one doesn't really need much bleeding. Usually they do when they're brand new.
What, the other side needs a little bit of air?
No. Jack needs a little bit of bleeding.
You got the motor pulled up? Can the jack come down now?
We need to put something in.
What I can do is this.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but there you go.
Need to come up a little bit more.
Watch the suspension and keep up. Like it's like that thing. Wonder how long he had that thing broken. Damn. The spring is now off the perch.
Nope.
Hold on, we'll figure this out. Technical difficulties, y'all. Don't worry about it. You're almost there, we go.
Alright, so look, the difference is this. You see how that one's way up? I gotta get another board for this side.
No, look at the suspension over here. Look at that one. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what this one looks like.
That one's right, right?
See how this one? Look.
Hold on, y'all. We're gonna show you what we're talking about. Hold on. All right.
Take a flashlight on. You got a light?
Yeah, turn it on.
All right. See how this control arm is nice and stiff and all the way up? All right, with the car jacked up. Now let's go to the other side.
Before? Now you see how it's down?
Yeah.
This should all be up and tight.
Yeah. Oh, she broke. And that's why, like, you see how the spring, look at this. The fucking the strut is gone.
Yeah.
See the rod's gone?
Yeah.
This strut is completely broken and needs to be replaced.
But
that explains why this piece like
is broken, and we were just actually.
I ain't never seen a strut rod separate from the body. Holy
so
shit.
what I'll do is I'll just, and that's what we're talking about with this right here. It's just broke. You can see right there. But the thing is, when you replace one, it's always best to replace both. That way you know what you got.
What makes you?
The weight is what I'm worried about.
Yeah, dude, we'll get you one.
No, I'm not worried about that. I'm talking about the weight on the axle.
Manifold. That's why I was like, that. I'm worried about the intake manifold.
I can slide it forward now. There you go.
Set it up right there. Oh. That's why I stopped. Like that. Yeah, I forgot. You guys' trans on the other side.
Yeah.
Volkswagen light. Our trans is on this side.
So,
alright. Is that enough for this?
yeah.
Alright.
This guy should be a nut on top of one of them.
I took them off. Okay. They're all right there. Grab 2 nuts, 2 washers, and then the short bolt.
14. I'm up. While you're doing that, I'm gonna turn this door right down.
Please do, thank you, brother.
Yes.
Is it cold in here?
Yeah, it is very cold. My dang little heat bill will be about $700.
On it. I was thinking about getting one of those and run my hot water heater through it.
What, a heater?
Yeah, that's how that one works. It runs hot water through it. Or doing like some weird self-contained oil system.
Nah, but that's propane. paint coach.
Is it? Copper price?
You took it out.
Oh, I took out, but it was only halfway in. Go back. Go back. Oh, shit.
Good. That's what I was saying. Sometimes you gotta start them like it.
You do it backwards and like do it backwards.
Q. Got that.
Look, the engine mount's in there. Hassport.com.
Alright, so we're in. Kind of gives you an idea what it looks like. We gotta lower it a little bit more. Or it's behind you, I believe. I thought you put it down over there somewhere. Oh, I got it. So
We should have got the red one.
the red bar? Yeah.
The red jack.
Oh yeah. So we need a level.
Oh, you need a level?
Yeah, your phone. This is the only thing your phone good for, cause you know them joints.
Here the fuck you go. Alright, you know what? Level the shit yourself then.
I got the Apple
Goddamn
phone.
bitch ass fuck shit. Oh yeah. Okay. It's almost level. We're at 1 point. Wait, it's still going. Harlot. God, this boy good. You see that shit, that coach?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Man, shit.
Sorry.
Granted, the chassis itself isn't level, so.
But are you worried about the chassis being leveled, or are you worried about the motor?
No, I'm just like, cause we put one, you know, but it is. It's pretty good.
Okay.
It's right there. We had to put a 2x4 and a 1/2 inch or 3/4 on one side, and then 3/4 on the other side.
And y'all mind this junky garage? I've been trying to get this right, but whatever.
Look, man, we broke.
This will, I guess, be the break-in turbo.
Sure, whatever you want to say.
You know what? It's not gonna work.
Let's see where it's gonna sit. Roughly speaking. It'll sit on the clock. There we go. Like that. And this one, ow, that was sharp. They don't like to shave any of the sharp edges and take the burrs off.
I was gonna say, do it like that.
So it'll sit like that.
Because the intercooler is gonna sit right here, so you have to do it like that. Let's see, get a good.
Woo.
Yeah.
Damn it, man.
Yeah, that's why I was thinking about the T4, because your flange, that's a T3 flange on it. Because the old manifold was T3. So for now, see how big this intake, this intercooler is.
I mean, it's an intake, you know what I'm saying?
Right, it pushes air through it. It's hitting right here. Normally you have a weight plate and you actually put this on top of it, kind of comes out. But I'm not a huge fan of those, so it's alright. We're gonna look at trimming right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but trimming that little square out to allow this to slide back so that the turbo sits a little bit flush, a little bit more flush.
Line everything up.
So you can see how it kind of walks out a little bit. And then we don't think the bumper was going to clear it because of this is the bumper frame, and the frame, the bumper clicks right into it. So it's missing some. It's got one there and should be one down there somewhere, but I need to get new ones for it. So
You put a rag, the things you don't want dirty, like your VTEC solenoid, hole,
yeah.
paper towels, rags, stuff, everything. Alright. Take this other rag, you should put it in your throttle body.
Any other open ports? I mean injector holes.
Fuel rail, injector holes.
Let me get another rag. I got it. Now my garage look crappy on this joint, boy.
I'm saying you got this big ass goddamn turbo hanging off the end of the damn thing like that. Well, I got the grinder here. I make the noise. Okay, I push the grinder like that. Okay, we're gonna cut that. Right? You know what I'm saying? My hands are so rough I can stop a blade. You know what I'm saying? I'm the Avengers. They call me Fingers. That's my name. I ain't anybody fucking mad here. Look, I even left the melting bolt here for everybody else. Come on. Yeah, I gotta put a file in it when I'm done.
I got a file. I'll file it.
Yeah.
I got a couple files. Looks like it's still got a slap to it.
Pain in my ass. Alright, stay loose. Fuck it.
Now you're gonna hit the manifold.
No, I just want to rotate this thing down. And I'm so close to it.
Hold on.
It's so close to clearing right here.
It's about to hit manifold.
That's fine. I just need to rotate it down. If this is far enough and the bumper will still fit, then we can leave it.
Well, the only way we'll know is if we gotta take the motor stand out.
Yup.
Or you could, since the motor's already out, I mean, she's held in, right?
Yeah, you can put a jack underneath her.
We could put a jack under her to take the boom, put the arm out further, right? And then you could back this up, still have hold of the motor, and then put it on and see what it looks like.
Where your jacks in it? Put jacks in there.
All in the left corner up there.